Book of the week is what else? Finally, Priyanka Chopra, Genesis Unfinished. Before I tell you about the book, I have to tell you a small flashback. We were at an award show, it was my award show, and we decided that Priyanka Chopra should pay a tribute to late Yash Chopra. It was a last minute thing, and she was quite upset that she was unprepared for it. So she said, okay, if you want me to do it, you write a small citation for me. I was in the midst of a lot of pressure because it was I was hosting the show, but I wrote something and gave it to her, which was regular. When she came on stage, she did not read or recite my citation. She had her own citation in place, and it was fabulous, far better than what I had given to her. And it was extremely moving, and I had tears in my eyes. And I knew at that time that Priyanka was ready to tell her story in her own words. Unfinished, published by Ballantine Books of New York, is exactly like Priyanka Chopra. It's good looking, it's a handsomely produced book with a fabulous cover, super printing, super layout, neat, tidy, uncluttered, great font, easy to read, fabulous paper, stylish. It came in this box exactly like how Priyanka Chopra would present herself. Absolutely no compromises and nothing shoddy about it. And now about the content. Priyanka goes into the bylanes of her memories. Ordinary memories, special memories, childhood memories, career memories, involving people she grew up with, people she studied with, and looks inward and comes up with sparkling insights about those moments. She has maturity to look at it objectively from a distance and say fabulous things like confidence is not consistent. It changes according to what you're going through or your situations happen. She recounts craziest of memories. There is an incident with a monkey while she was in school, which is absolutely hilarious, and about her attachments with her family. What an impact her parents have had on her, and how they travel with her even now in her pockets everywhere she goes, no matter which continent she is in. We, particularly as Indians, feel that if it's a memoir, then skeletons have to tumble out of a book. It's not about dark secrets. It's about your observations. It is about your growth, your enrichment as a person, and being able to place and piece it all together. As a writer, in my adolescent years, I was told that observations and insights is everything. You don't have to be a terrific storyteller. If you have observations, then you will make a great writer. I think it's a lovely book because it is exactly like Priyanka Chopra, looks stylish, looks good, has content, has brains, and most important, has a soul and has a lot of dignity. I recommend it strongly.